Hi everyone. Hope you all are good. We are here for grade 8 math. You can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password as provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 8 math and then click on view all lessons. There you can find a list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter Monomials and Polynomials. So please make sure you have your notebook and pencil so that you can note down the important examples and definitions as well. Here I'm on grade 8 math. Chapter we on right now is monomials and polynomials. Let's just start with the lesson that is add polynomials to find parameter. Add polynomials to find parameter. Find the parameter, simplify your answer. So what is the parameter? Whenever we need to calculate the parameter, we need to add all the side lengths, right? So that is q plus 6 with the side lengths are q plus 6, q plus 6 and q. So we just need to add them all q plus 6, q plus 6 plus q, right? So we need to add the like terms. So q plus q plus q, they are the like terms. And then you need to add 6 plus 6. So that is 3q plus 6. 3q plus 12. 6 plus 6 makes 12. That is 3q plus 12. Okay, let's just start with the test questions. Find the parameter, simplify your answer. So for the parameter, we need to add all the side lengths. So we need to add all the side lengths to calculate the parameter. P is equal to 2 plus 2 plus 1 plus Q. That equals Q plus 5. So that equals Q plus 5. X plus 5. Option number 1 is the correct option. Find the parameter, simplify your answer. So that is y plus 3 plus 8. So that is 2y plus 11. That is 2y plus 11. Option number 2 is the correct option. Find the parameter, that is v minus 3 plus 4 plus 5. 5 plus 4 is 9. 9 minus 3 is 6. That is v plus 6. Option number 1 is the correct option. That is v plus 6. Find the parameter, that is c plus c plus 2 plus 2. That is 2c plus 4. The correct option is 2c plus 4. Option number 2 is the correct option. Find the parameter, that is 2 plus 1 plus a minus 1. So 2a plus 2. Option number 1 is the correct option. That is 2a plus 2. That is 2a plus 2. Option number 1 is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is multiply and divide. Simplify 3w7 4w times they are multiplying actually. That is like this. 3w7 times 4w times 2w. 2 times 4 is 8, 8 times 3 is 24, and we need to add all the exponents of w, so that is 7, 8, and 9, so that is 24w9. Let's just start with the test questions. Simplify 3c4 divided by 3c8 times c. So first, basically we are dividing, right? That is a division sign. That is 3c4 divided by 3c8 c. First, you need to collect all the exponents. That is 3c4 divided by 8 c. Sorry, 3. Wait, that is 3, 8, 9, 10. So 10 it is, right? 3 and 3 cancel out. So they have same exponent, they are dividing. So we can subtract their exponent. So that is c minus 4 minus 10 is negative 6, right? So you can write it in the denominator to make the exponent positive. So that is 1 over c6. That is 1 divided by c by 6. Simplify 6r 9 times 6r. Multiply the numerators. That is 36 r 10 divided by r, right? Just subtract the exponent of r. So that is 36 r9. That is 36 R 9. Option number 1 is the correct option. Simplify 10V times 4V times 8V. So, which is the correct option? 10 times 4 is 40, 4 times 8 is 32, that is 320V cube. Option number 2 is the correct option. Okay, so express your answer using positive exponents. We need to multiply all of them. 7 times 2 is 14. 14 times 5 is 70. We need to collect all the components of all the exponents of D. 8, 9, 10, and 11. That is 17, D, 11. That is 70, D, 11. Option number 2 is the correct option. Simplify. Express your answer using positive exponents. So, which is the correct option? That is 324, A15. Option number 2 is the correct option. Okay, so we have to divide, right? Um, 8 5 age 5 divided by sorry, 8 age 5 9 age 4 age divided by 2 age, so 2 age and we have 2 2 times 5 is 10. No, 2 times 9 is 18 and 18 times 8 is 144 and we need to collect the age exponents of age, that is age 6. Option number 1 is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is meals. Simplify 12 and 7 square. So we need to calculate the square, right? Calculate the square of both the things. You need to calculate the square of 12 also. And n 12 square means you have to do 12 times 12. And for the exponents, you need to multiply the exponent by 2. So that is 144 and exponent 14. Okay, let's just start with the test questions. Okay, 8d cube square. So we need to calculate the square of everything inside the bracket. So we need to do 8 times 8 and 8 3 times 2. So that is 64d6. Option number 2 is the correct option. Option number 2 is the correct option. It is 64d6. Simplify 6p6. So which is the correct option? That is 36p12. Option number 1 is the correct option. That, that is 3 times 3 is 9. We That is 27b 20, 27. Option number 1 is the correct option. That is 121j14. Option number 2 is the correct option. Simplify 11d9 square. That is 121. That is 121d18. Option number 1 is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is roots of monomials. Square root t square. So square root t square. Basically t square and square root means that is 1 by t, 2, right? So t square times 1 by 2. 2 and 2 cancel out. We are left with t. Okay, let's just start with the test questions. Square root f20. F20, right? So we can write it as f20 1 by 2. That is f20 times 1 by 2. So 2 times 10, we are left with f10. Option number 1 is the correct option. That is f exponent 10. Square root v exponent 18. So we can write it as v exponent 18 1 by 2. That is v exponent 9. Option number 1 is the correct option. Square n exponent 16 equals. That is n exponent 8. Option number 2 is the correct option. Simplify cube root of y cube. So basically that is a cube root, right? So we can write this cube root as v cube exponent 1 by 3, right? So 3 times 1 by 3, 3 and 3 cancel out, we are left with y. Option number 1 is the correct option, that is y. That is square root 612. So which is the correct option? Square root 612. That is 6 g exponent 6. Option number 2 is the correct option. Square root c exponent 18. So which is the correct option? That is c exponent 9. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. So we were working grade 8 math chapter we were working on is polynomials and polynomials. So please make sure before the next session you can complete all the practice questions for the lessons we just did. That is your homework until next session. So if you need, simply click on the live chat button. Tutors are available there to help you down in the chat box. I'm here to answer questions and confusions if you have. Please write them down in the chat box. I'm here to answer all your questions and confusions if you have any. No questions? No questions? Okay, then that's all for today. See you in the next session.